Charlie Gets His Wings by Emily Clausen. Once upon a time there was a caterpillar named Charlie. He was the youngest in his family that didn't turn into a butterfly yet. Charlie often watched his family play tag in the sky from a nearby tree. Then, all of a sudden, the scary hummingbird comes and tries to prey on his family. Charlie and his family use camouflage to hide. Charlie is very scared because he is hiding all alone. Charlie then gets sad because he thinks he will never get to play or hide with the rest of his family. All of a sudden, Charlie falls out of the tree. Not to worry though, a tree frog named Franklin saves him. Franklin notices Charlie's distress and asks him what's wrong. Charlie replies, "I'll never become a butterfly and get to be like the rest of my family." Franklin then reveals he has magical powers and said he'll help Charlie out. Charlie then transforms into a beautiful butterfly. Charlie flies back to his family and shows them. They are happy to see he is okay after not being able to find him after he fell out of the tree. Charlie has a lot of fun playing sky tag with his family and just being able to do more with them. Natural selection is when an organism, such as Charlie, becomes better adapted to their environment, also when an organism undergoes a change to their appearance. Charlie transformed into a butterfly and is better adapted to his environment because he can fly. A few months later, after Charlie's transformation, he now realizes that if he never even became a butterfly, that it was okay, but he definitely loves his wings.